November 2020 month predictions based on zodiac sign by Dr. Rumnalal. Aries. There may be a change in job. Be extra careful at work. Do not make mistakes. Businesses should be up to date with their paperwork. Do not make risky investments. Remember, only hard work can give you money in life. Stay hydrated and take care of your health this month. The next Rashi is Taurus. Career-wise, this month is very lucky. Also, new businesses will bloom. Always check your monetary transactions. Spend very carefully. Do not lend your money to anyone. Be careful regarding health. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet. Understanding between couples must be there and peacefully resolve disputes. The next Rashi is Gemini. You may feel tired and stressed with work, but you will still achieve your goals. Businesses need to be careful with their projects. There may be unexpected expenses this month. Some of you may get desired salary package. Spend some time for fitness. Also be careful while driving and do not go near danger zones. A very much favorable month for couples. Cancer. Some of them may think to start new business and also will be successful in turning it into reality. Businesses will see positive outcomes this month. There will be cash inflows and no major health issues are seen. Try to spend time with your family and loved ones this month. The next Rashi is Leo. There may be transfers at work this month. Businessmen may need to go on business trips and their hard work will reap fruits very soon. Your savings this month will be good. Take care of your back or shoulder pain. Exercises will surely help. Couples should spend more time with each other. Virgo. Favorable conditions at work will be seen this month. Businesses will make few changes for growth. Financially, this month is very good with great success. Pay attention to your health. Marital life is filled with harmony, peace and love. This month is also very much great regarding finances. Children will perform well in their studies. Libra. Put more efforts at work to improve your performance. Few may get promotion. Businessmen may expand their business. Financial aspects are great. There may be problem with your health, so please boost your immunity. Married couple will tend to resolve all their conflicts which are there from very long this month. The next Rashi is Scorpio. Uncertainty with your job can be seen this month. Businesses will see growth and development. Few health issues can be seen this month. Spend more time with loved ones. Resolve the conflicts with maturity and big heart. Spend more time in sunlight, fresh air and greenery. This will help in maintaining your stress levels. Sagittarius. Ups and downs may be seen in your job this month. An average month for businesses. There may be rise in expenses this month. Do not consume chilled foods this month and please make sure you're hydrated. The couples may face challenges this month. Listen to Hanuman Chalisa and only eat home food. Capricorn. There will be hike in income. Businesses will see inflow of orders this month. You will feel no burden in repaying your loans. Stress may seem to affect your health. Hence, yoga and meditation can help. Do not get into fights with your partners. Pray to Lord Shiva this month. Avoid fighting with your family members. Aquarius. Employees get a very favorable team and also a very good job role. You will have to reduce your expenses in order to make savings. Pay great attention to your health this month. You will have to keep your anger in check in order to avoid disputes at work and also in your personal life. You may also go on a trip. Pisces. Business people should treat their customers with respect and love. There can be ups and downs in the aspects of finances this month. Proper exercise and eating a balanced diet with very much care is needed this month. You may find your love this month. So couples also will have a peaceful month this. Subscribe to My Lucky Diamonds. Our information, please call or WhatsApp us on 9399 993389